Don't hide your emotions. You are enjoying your life and it's written all over your face. Hey, Rosie! Hurry up! Shape light clay into a hand. Stick small lipsticks into the fingers. Shape a peace sign emoji. Add shades. Make clay caps for the lipsticks to continue the finger shapes. Let the clay solidify. Oops! I accidentally broke a finger! Oh wait, it's okay! I'll use 2 lipsticks at once. An ombre effect is great for a nice selfie. Do you want to take a nice outdoor pic? I know how to complete your look. A little brown emoji. Wrap a small round container in brown polymer clay. Attach a clay spiral on top. Make a mouth and eyes with black pupils out of white clay. Make a cut near the cap. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Add red makeup glitter to Aloe Lip Balm. Melt it in a microwave and pour it into the container. Let the lip balm harden. A little brown present right in your hair. How creative! Oops! There is something gross in my hair! Relax! Look! It's just lip balm in an unusual container. Rosie, what happened? You are as pale as a ghost. You need some eyeshadow. My ghost eyeshadow will be perfect. Trace a printed ghost emoji on white foam paper. Cut it out. Cut eyes and a face out of black foam paper and a red tongue. Superglue the pieces together. Coat the lid of a makeup palette with black acrylic paint and attach the ghost. Let's add some makeup. There you go! You're not as ghostly pale anymore. Now it is obvious that Rosie's a human after all. I want to post a fun selfie. Or maybe just an emoji. Or maybe both. Draw a circle on your face with a yellow face marker. Color the circle with yellow face paint. Create a smooth color transition. Add arched brows with black face paint. And define the eyes. Keep smiling so the emoji looks natural. Paint blue tears on your cheeks. And now, let's surprise my friend. Look! Wow! This is the funniest makeup ever! We need to post it on our stories right now. No words, just emotions. My friend is getting ready for a party. All these clothes and nothing to wear, and she doesn't have a purse to match. Rosie has an evil makeup bag for cases like this. Draw a circle on purple felt. Cut out 2 pieces. Mark the size of a zipper on a strip of felt. Cut a hole inside and hot glue the zipper. Attach the piece between the circles. Also make a side piece out of a strip of felt. And join the circles into a makeup bag. Attach felt horns on top. Add an evil emoji face made out of black felt and put in makeup. This makeup bag will emphasize your mood. Awesome! My message is crystal clear. Don't mess with me! But I still have nothing to wear. Why are you so sad? I can't have that! I have a makeup brush that'll improve your mood and your makeup. Put styrofoam balls into a cocktail straw. Stick brushes without handles into the outermost balls. Color the balls with yellow acrylic paint and add different emoji faces. This is a magical brush! It makes your skin look better and it brightens your mood. Which emotion will you paint on your face? My friend is turning into a texting robot. Her face is so emotionless. But I have a remedy that'll definitely work. It's an EOS emoji. Take the lip balm out of an EOS container and microwave it. Put the grid into the cap. Add yellow food coloring to the melted lip balm. Pour it into the container and refrigerate it. Carve an emoji with its tongue sticking out on the ready EOS. Melt some lip balm with black food coloring. Fill the eyes and the mouth with it using a toothpick. Color the tongue with red lip balm. Just a little bit of my EOS cure and her emotions are back. My EOS emoji will always help. Rosie is in an infinite talking mode. How can I stop her? I'll try doing some interesting face art with her mouth closed. Be quiet and trust me. Apply green face paint around the mouth. Define the outline with a darker shade. Make a smooth transition. Add white highlights over the upper lip using a sponge. Paint alien eyes with white pupils on the upper lip. Add a small mouth under the lower lip. This alien emoji looks so realistic. It's important to keep your mouth shut before it dries. Keep calm and carry on. My friend is going on a date, so she is very nervous. Some emoji face powder will put you in a relaxed mood. Degrease the cap of a face powder compact. Coat it with white primer. Color it with green acrylic paint on top. Create a gradient effect using white paint. Make a sick emoji face. Add yellow cheeks. Cut a circle out of yellow foam paper. Cut pieces of a smiling emoji face out of colored foam paper. Attach the face to the yellow base and glue the emoji to a powder sponge. Emotions quickly change with our face powder, because a date is no reason to be sad. Put some makeup on and go! Phew! I'm running late, and my face is sweaty. But I have some beauty blotters for a party. Print 2 mirror images of the dancing emoji on sticker paper. Cut them out. Attach to cardboard and cut them out. Glue pieces of a rubber band to the back to shape a skirt. Glue the top parts of the pieces together. Roll blotting papers and stick them under the rubber bands. Now my face is perfect! I'm ready to have fun! Did you like our beauty emojis? Then let us know in the comments which makeup products and which emojis you use the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new emoji ideas from Troom.